Bahagi ng ika-436 na pagkakatatag ng Taguig, muling nagpamalas ng galing ang mga local at international artists sa ikalawang taong pagdaraos ng Meeting of Styles. Katuwang ang lokal na pamahalaan, muling binuksan ni Taguig City Mayor Lani Cayetano ang pinakamalaking international annual graffiti, street art and mural festival sa TLC Village sa Barangay Lower Bicutan. Ayon kay Mayor Cayetano, mahalaga ang mga ganitong uri ng okasyon dahil sa nagbibigay ito ng kulay at pagkakataon sa mga Pilipino na ipakita ang husay at galing nito sa larangan ng sining. Ilang shipping containers ang nagsilbing canvas ng mga kilalang international artists, kabilang ang 15 international artists mula sa Malaysia, 7 international artists mula sa Australia, 3 international artists mula sa Germany, France at Japan, 2 international artists mula sa Brunei, Mexico at Taiwan, at 1 international artist naman mula sa Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, South Korea, Chile at US. Gayon din ng mga local artists na sina Zebor, Exile, Wilzo, Oscar, Unico, Trip 63, SYN, Sober, Smoke, Skip, Sinkwan, Santino, Ras, Restok, Resist, Ray, Quicks, Porks, Oder, Knower, Nebs, Nemo, Meo, Mapper, Maki, Lover, Coco, Kaiser, NZ1, Egg Fiasco, Duo, Distort, Monster, Dawji, Crayon, Chill, Chess, BBM, Bato, Bark at Apok. Umaasa pamalaang lungsod na ang murals ay mapapabilang sa mga tourist attraction sa Taguig City.
Let's give a warm round of applause to our ever-supportive and one of the biggest patrons of arts in the city, our dear Honorable Mayor Maria Laarni Ate Lani Cayetano, to give us inspirational closing message.
Thank you, everyone. Be seated. Hello and welcome to the city of Taguig. I feel so excited and happy to host the Meeting of Styles for the second time. I'm so happy to welcome our foreign guests. Let us give them a big round of applause, please. From all over the globe, from across the globe, they're all here to collaborate with our local artists. I'm so happy because the Meeting of Styles for this year coincides with the celebration of the city of Taguig of its 437th founding anniversary. So it's extra meaningful for us. Your presence here today brings so much color, no, to our celebration. So at this point, allow me to acknowledge the hard work, the passion of Trip 63. Palakpakan naman natin si Trip, no? If not passion, we won't be here today. And of course, my appreciation also to our city government team. A special mention, of course, to our Think Big Taguig family, headed by Glenn Concho, present here today. Of course, my Chief of Staff, Attorney Marian. Hello, Attorney Marian. To all our, can we please give them a big round of applause? And, of course, the members of the City Council, palakpakan naman po natin sila. Ayan. So it is indeed a beautiful opportunity to collaborate, no, with the foreign and local artists. I hope that this event will inspire other artists, no, Filipino artists, as we present Taguig as a city that gives importance, no, to culture and the arts. So I hope that all of you will enjoy this side of the city. You see, Taguig is known all over the country and all over the world as the home of the Bonifacio Global City, the more affluent side of Taguig. But we are proud also of our first district, no? In particular, the Lakeshore community. So we're all happy to welcome all of you today as we celebrate arts and as we celebrate culture, tradition, and the provincial life. We call our city the Provinciudad of the Philippines, the Provinciudad of Metro Manila, province and city. The city where you can enjoy the finest amenities and embrace modernity, but the provincial side where you can feel, no, the humble character of Filipinos. So to all the foreign visitors that we have today, I hope that you will feel the hospitality of Taguigueños and the Filipinos. I hope that as you go back to your respective countries, you can bring along with you beautiful memories from the Philippines and from our beloved city of Taguig. Let's enjoy the rest of the event. Thank you, and once again, welcome to the second Meeting of Styles. Thank you.
This partnership between the City of Taguig and Meeting of Styles wouldn't be possible without the hard work of its organizers. Today, let's give a warm welcome to Trip 63.
Hello guys. First of all, I just want to thank, of course, our honorable mayor. These are the second year in a row, so thank you for letting us have your venue here to let us paint. Okay. And second, I want to thank Sir Glenn Concha for helping me out, like organizing this event. I mean, I can do all the organizing stuff on my side, but regarding all this and the other stuff, I really want to thank Sir Glenn. And I want to thank everyone who flew out as far as, this is the first year we're going to be having artists from Mexico. So, yeah, I want to thank each and everyone who came here. And hope everyone enjoyed this event, and thank you to everyone.
Thank you so much, Trip. And for the past 20 years, Meeting of Styles has become the biggest international annual graffiti, street art, and mural festival. First reached Philippine shores in 2015, and every year, it has become a bigger showcase to feature artists as well as our well-known Filipino talents from all over the world, such as China, the United Kingdom, Japan, Singapore, the USA, Germany, France, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and Korea. Let's take a look of the past Meeting of Styles in this short audio-visual presentation.
Init dito din. Such a wonderful display of diverse community of artists from around the world and the beauty of art that transcends language and culture.